Hello everybody, my name is Deepak or in this video we will see reflection API in Java. Okay, so reflection, what is the reflection? So this is the very most important interview question. So everybody's will multiple companies in asked what is the reflection in Java. So we will see what is the reflection. Okay, so reflection is a feature in Java programming language. Okay, okay, in Java, reflection allow us to inspect and manipulate classes, interfaces, constructor, methods, fields at the runtime. Okay, again we will read. Okay, reflection is a feature in the Java programming language. Okay, in Java, reflection allow us to inspect, manipulate classes, interfaces, constructors, methods, and field at the runtime. Okay, okay. The required classes for the reflection are provided under the java.lang.reflect package. Again, repeat. The required classes for reflection are provided under the java.lang.reflect package. Okay, which is essential in the order to understand reflection. Okay, for example, we are given an noun objects. Okay, so you want to know about that objects, which class object that. So therefore, how can we get the information of that object? So it is for you can use reflection API, or reflection API actually reflection API can modify the behavior of the methods, classes, interfaces at the runtime. Okay, so this is the power of the reflection API. Okay, so reflection in of the Java classes, reflection of the Java classes. In order to reflect a Java class, we first need to create an object of the class. Okay, in order to reflect a Java class, we first need to create an object of class. So and using the object we can call various methods to get information about the methods, fields, and constructors present in a class. Okay, so there are exist three way to create object of class. There are therefore exist three way to create objects of class. So first way is using for name method. Okay, so create objects of class, and to reflect the person class of class A equal class dot for name or person. Okay, okay, and then second step you get the class. You second step is second way is using get class method to create an object person class or person v equal to new person. Okay, so create an object of class or to reflect person of class b of v1 dot get class something something. Okay, so using dot class extension, using dot class extension you can reflect the create an objects of the class or reflect the person class c equal person dot class. Okay, so now that we know how we can create objects of the class, so we can use this object to get information about the corresponding class at the runtime. So you can yeah, okay, so how can we get the name of the class? So that's about we will discuss, or this example we will make. Okay, in the VS code, so you can see one time so how we are making. Okay, so after that we will discuss on that. Okay, so we will see it example through uh VS code. Okay, okay, so we have a person class, so you can see this is person class. Okay, so three method we have a. Okay, we didn't write anything inside, or you can see reflection x dot class, but we will create again this method. Okay, okay, so this is the main. Okay, so we will create the person class object. So person, okay, person we actually I am using the uh what it copilot. Okay, so therefore a lot of suggestions are. Okay, come to I mean now we get the class. We will use the second way. So class person. Okay, so person of person objects get class. Okay, so we will actually not write here anything. So okay, okay, you want to see class name. Okay, so the power of the reflection in Java. So c dot get name. Okay, so run the program or and then you can see that name of the class name. Okay, so you can see this is the class name is person. Okay, for example you want to get the information I means about the how many methods are inside, so you can see. Okay, okay, so how can we methods, I want to get the methods. So all the methods about to we can get the information, so get declare methods. Okay, okay, so you can get all the declare methods you inside the person class. Okay, so this show display print all the methods. Okay, so you want to print how can to how can to get the name of the all the methods. So for I enhance for loop I will use or method or methods. Okay, 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 so method dot get name. Okay, okay, so you can get the name but I want to print first the method. So you can see all the information are get come to the method, so you can see. Okay, you can see ki public void person. Okay, person class methods, so show methods per print method display, but I want to only methods I want to see, not public void I want to see. So therefore what we can, so we can get name only. Okay, okay, you can see print display show method name. Okay, so here you can okay, you can. Okay, okay, so it's a similar, you can use the reflection in Java. So this is a very very powerful technique. It's really in simple, but you can say you know about the is JavaScript. The JavaScript in a topic, so topic name is the DOM. So similar you can say in Java the reflection API is the most important. Similar of the we can modifications in the classes, interfaces, or constructors, anything, anything not actually जो allowed. ओके, सो हम सिमिलर ऑफ द डोम होता है जो जावास्क्रिप्ट में एक डोम टॉपिक होता है, बट डोम थोड़ा ज़्यादा पावरफुल होता है इन द जावास्क्रिप्ट में, बट रिफ्लेक्स एप्शन एपीआई से भी हम मॉडिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं कंस्ट्रक्टर के, हम उसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, उसकी गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाल सकते हैं हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में। सो इसलिए हम रिफ्लेक्शन का यूज करते हैं, और रिफ्लेक्शन बहुत तगड़ा टूल है भाई, बहुत तगड़ा मतलब बहुत तगड़ा टॉपिक है इन जावा का अंदर। ठीक है, इन्फॉर्मेशन निकालने के लिए, कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करने के लिए। ठीक है, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो और थैंक यू सो मच।